My name is Chris Lueking, and I'm here today to talk a little bit about fertilizers. Have you ever wondered what are the numbers on our fertilizers? And that's kind of confusing to some people because they see so many different numbers. So with so many brands out there, there's organic brands, there's synthetic brands. What do the numbers mean? The first number is nitrogen, and that is for promoting foliar growth, that green flowers and leaves, that's what we're needing. That's what that number is, to stimulate that new growth. The second number is phosphorus. That number is for flowering, but also for root development. And then the last number is for potassium. We need potassium to also stimulate good root growth, to utilize all of our nutrients to be uptaken. But when you have a soil sample, sometimes you need just one item. And so this rock phosphate is just phosphate. So you see the numbers are 0, 3, 0, and those numbers are for just phosphate, the middle number. If you're going for a specialized fertilizer, this one is just targeted for tomatoes. It has nitrogen 18, phosphorus 18, but 21 for our potassium. So we know that we want a big, strong plant. We need those roots to get really established and have a large root system. So that has a higher phosphorus so that we can have that roots to grow. So this is targeted just for tomatoes to make sure that they are doing successful growth and having all the nutrients that they need throughout the season.